Hey guys, hope you had a very happy new year. I'm pretty excited to get my channel going this year. Last year was a bit rough. We had a lot going on and we had a hard time keeping up with everything. Let's get into today's video. Today we're taking a look at Mini Brand Books Series 2. Mini brands are coming in these new balls with 2 halves. I've been saving these. I plan to use them for something. I really like them. I made a video for the first series, and I added the books I got from the first series for this video. The series comes with some adult reading level books, which I'm pretty happy about. This is my collection of these books so far. Let's take a look at the collector guide that came with the set. I love these pictures. Somebody really took time setting the tone. I like that you could get the golden ticket from the Willy Wonka movie. I don't know if I'd have any use for it, but it's still a cool addition. According to this guide, I got a few rare books, Colleen Hoover. You also get bookmarks in every set. There's 50 books to collect. I like that you can get Sherlock Holmes in this series. They've also added new accessories. You could get a desk lamp, a candle, magnifying glass, teacup, a cat, and a bookshelf. I really like the desk lamp. These books are very cool. You could read the first few pages, and the rest pages are hard to read. As far as size goes, they're right on scale. Well, that's all I have for you. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about these mini books in the comments section below. I'd love to hear your opinion. Please click that like button if you like this video, and share this video if you know somebody who would enjoy it. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And don't forget to click to inspire and create. We'll see you in the next video.